Tirupur won the toss. Fielding, they said. We would like to chase here. Welcome Hemang. Long off and mid-wicket. 2 fielders out. Because there's a gap which he finds. And that's a boundary. Will be Sriram Capital Fantastic Four. Bowled him. The sound of the bamboo is the most pleasing thing for a bowler. Off you go, sir.
What's the option taken? It's a boom, 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 a golden wicket. Too far across, showing his stumps and missing the ball completely. The idea was right to go.
2 wickets. Oh, powerfully hit. This is a classic one into the side screen for 6.
Was in his slot and he put him down. No fear whatsoever. He's got the skill, he's got the...
26 for 1, last ball. Onto the onside. It can be 4. 2 fielders after it. The bat is going to win. It is 30 for 1.
Hasn't ended well. Does it have the legs? No, it doesn't. It's a big wicket. It's the skipper who has to go. Aparajit looking up the ante. Holds out in the...
Easier because of this. Aparajit tried to access the long off region. Hit the toe end of the bat. An important catch in the corner. Aparajit departs. But brothers Ranjan Paul, he doesn't take anything to his head. Created this shot. First ball he faces, he just responds to the ball very well.
Jagadisan, Pradosh Ranjan Paul. Through the offside goes Jagadisan. Tries best. The fielder had bit off, but the timing was just too good. Yeah, just like that. When you bowl seam up and when you bowl quick, the batsman can use the pace of the ball. That's exactly what Pradosh Ranjan. Cuts it. Excellent shot. Not a big gap between short third and point, but he finds it to perfection.
This is a good pair. I think Jagadish, one of the experienced batter of TNPL, getting another exciting boundary. Got 8 wickets in hand. We've already played around 25 deliveries.
Right on cue. Why did you not say that earlier? He listens to what you...
Super sixes. When you go over the long off or long on, the percentage of you striking the ball is very, very high, rather than going over the mid-wicket.
Off Jagadisan and gave him the liberty to play at the pace that he would love to. Fielder underneath. Chance taken. Wicket.
But when you go over the mid-wicket, and also that's a shot against the wind. Boom, 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 a golden wicket again. And Jagadisan, very, very important breakthrough. That's the way the bowler comes back, always unorthodox shots. I'm not saying the batsman trying to switch shot. That's a beautiful shot. This is not unorthodox. We have been saying this probably for centuries. That's a beautiful car drive. Much needed because they need to keep the scoreboard. See, one of the interesting things that's been happening in the last 2 days is...
Brilliant. Plucks it out of thin air. He says, this wicket is mine.
The dominance. That makes it very interesting the last few days. That's a very good catch. As a spinner, you should always expect that return catch. That's the most important.
Short ball. Excellent pull shot. In fact, the perfect way to play a hook. The second over. Short ball. Whacked it. Wide of third man. 1 bounce 4. Starts off with a 4 here. Natarajan has been expensive today. Goes in the air. Has he got enough? Yes, he has. He's a tall boy. Andre. In the air. That's with the wind. It's a huge 6.
He'll be a star, I tell you. He's got the long levers. This inning should ease him into the TNPL. He has had a sort of a nervy start, but that boundary of Natarajan opened up things for him, and he's showing glimpses of the talent he's got.
The 2 that he's bowled so far. A pace straight to the man. Soft dismissal. The crowd is elated.
I like the angle. Wider and wider. It's the big side of the field. Yeah, this is a good angle. I just get a feeling he's nicely taken.
Defending they've lost, chasing they've lost. Oh, high up in the air. Wicket it may be. Wicket it is.
For the very reason to hit the ball hard. Beautifully bowled it wider, bowled it slower. Held slightly on the pitch. And in the end, taken neatly by Amit Satwik. Safe pair of hands. Bhuvneshwar gets a crucial wicket.
Pradosh Ranjan Paul. Up in the air, it will be his half century. It has been an innings of flair and flamboyance. Domination to the core. Talk about the shot selection. Talk about the fact that he's held one end intact. And the innings is still on. Well played, young man.
Dominantly to the leg side. Will he pick up another 4? Yes, he does. He's on the floor, but he wouldn't mind it. It's 4 in his kitty.
Straight. Hey, this will be a boundary. Now the timing of it and the placement of it is so very crucial. 8. Last ball coming. Nails the Yorker. Well bowled, sir. It was a treat to watch those last 4 overs. And they've not let Chepauk Super Gillies go ahead with the last 4-5 overs, Hemang. This has been classical bowling.
Top-notch bowling, top-notch end bowling. They've just given 34 of the last 5 overs. That's just about under 7 and over. Any side would take that. The end score, Chepauk Super Gillies 157. I just get a feeling.
About that innings, look at that. Jagdeesan yet again was little to start off, but he was there, contributed 36 from 26. The man who actually played the innings, stellar one. Things were falling around him, but he was there like a rock. 67 from 46. Pradosh Ranjan Paul was the star.
Have a look at Bhuvneshwar picking up 1 for 19 of his 4. Mohammad Ali also picked up 3 wickets, 3 for 29. Ajit Ram was a tad bit expensive. Madhi Wanan wasn't bad himself, 1 for 23.
Playing the first ball. Yeah, interesting perspective. So yes, average plus strike rate. Goes back. Radhakrishnan. It was about time. With the win. Left arm spinner against.
Yeah, he's given himself time. Sharon Ply, Super 6, number 79. He's played himself 7 balls, and the 7th ball he's launched it.
He did his job well. Goes for the big one. Tushar Raheja this time. Offside. Flat 6. Sharon Ply, Super 6 as well to end the second over. 16 without loss. Surya coming into bowl, tries to go leg side. Is he taking it? What a catch! Baba Aparjit. He is a ball magnet. Wherever he goes, the ball goes behind it.
Starts from Surya. Dragged it down. Boom, boom, boom. A golden wicket. Look at that for movement. Look at that for anticipation.
To a brilliant catch from Aparajit. It's the impact player once again. What a shot! Gets a little bit of a width and cuts it for a Sriram. Fantastic for Amit Satwik.
The ball is second over. Goes for the big one. It's into the wind. Has it got enough? No! Has he taken it, the fieldsman?
Ashwin Chris, the substitute fielder, went against the wind. Amit Satwik. Insurance Deco, safe hands, yes. Brilliant, brilliant catch. That from Ashwin Chris.
The 50 comes up for Aidreen Tirupur Tamarins. Swept in the gap. Much needed boundary for Aidreen Tirupur Tamarins. Set. In the air. What a catch! What a catch! It's Raisha. Oh.
It's a boom, 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 a golden wicket. Possibly the best catch of the tournament comes from the 38-year-old youngster Rahil Shah. Unbelievable. Now,
you asked for it, Steyo Mahesh. You asked for the switch hit. And here it comes. Third man point. Some width provided and pace as well. If you give room to free the arms, that's what the batsman is going to do.
Ashwin Chris.
There's always on the cards. You called it, Mr. Yo Mahesh. You're running the risk of the batsman.
Keeping them in good spirits. Should be taken. It's up in the air. Shah Jahan takes it neatly. Was never in trouble. But Tirupur Tamilans are in trouble.
Shah Jahan, easy, but very well bowled indeed. It was not just the catch. Look at that. I mean, he was trying to pick outside off stump. That was very well bowled. Jumps down the track. And that is a mighty one. The bat and the ball have a long distance relationship.
You hardly see it these days. It's more about creating a base and going from the crease. But not the case this time with Ganesh. Sharon Ply, Super 6 number 81.
Good line, pulls it. Beautiful in front of mid-wicket. What a shot.
He goes for a 6. Was the carom ball was slightly on the shorter side. Mohammad Ali was on to the back foot in a flash. Put that away into the stands.
Bowled him. Excellent delivery from Periyasamy. The art of deception coming to the fore when it matters. But he's here because of this excellent delivery from Periyasamy. He is slingy, all right. He bowled this brilliantly. Bowled well today. Goes wide. He's gone. Vijay Shankar tries to go for a big one.
Their only hope was Vijay Shankar wide. Just couldn't get the elevation taken by.
Goes for a full toss. Finds the edge and a boundary. Is there still life in this game, Sriram? Yes, the reverse. That's the risk of having third man point inside. Didn't really. Goes in the air. Fieldsman underneath, takes it. It's the ball magnet again. Baba Aparajit takes a sitter, simple catch.
Yeah, they're going down south very quickly. Tirupur Tamilans, wild swing. Baba Aparajit, his 8th catch of the tournament. In the hot spots, leading.
Goes leg side. Gets enough contact. It's a 6. They needed a 6 to keep this match alive, and that's what he's got.
In the last game, he's playing a good hand here today. Can he take his side through, or is it still too much? He's fighting, no doubt.
Goes offside. It's a 4, but it'll not be enough. The Chepauk Super Gillies will feel and believe that they have this match in the bag. Goes wide, Abhishek Tanwar. Oh, that's a misfield. Darshan Paul again. This time he gets around. Is he gone? It's good fielding, good throw.
Ball collected by the keeper, batter out of his ground. Next frame, let the bails completely dislodge. Next frame. Yeah, satisfied, the bails are completely
out. Falling short is Dinesh. That's it. 4-time champions Chepauk Super Gillies have got their first victory in Sriram Capital TNPL 2024 against the Idream Tirupur Tamilans by 15 runs. Downstairs definitely disappointed. 2 losses in 2 games for them. They just can't seem to get across the line. But yes, Ganesh batted really well today. But the Chepauk Super Gillies bowled really well. Periyasamy, the pick of the bowlers, 4 overs 2 for 18. Surya came in as an impact player, did his job. All the bowlers. The match summary. Idream Tirupur Tamilans won the toss, made Chepauk Super Gillies bat 157 thanks to Pradosh Ranjan Paul. 67 not out, he was the spine of the innings. Idream Tirupur Tamilans would have believed